This brand is made in America by GE Appliances, which is majority owned by the Chinese company Haier. All of these heat pumps feature coated coils to resist corrosion, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. The Caliber series offers basic single-zone units with cooling efficiencies of up to 17.5 SEER, and they are available in 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems. The indoor units are whisper quiet, while the outdoor units have a sound level that is less than that of the hum from a refrigerator. The Endure series features 20 SEER units that are optimized to provide heating even when the outdoor temperature is -31 degrees. The Endure series offers models that can serve from 1 to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit, and they are still relatively quiet while doing so. The Altitude series offers premium single-zone heat pumps with a cooling efficiency of up to 23.5 SEER. The units are only available through authorized installers in the USA and Canada. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.